Hello UPSC aspirants, hope you're doing fine. So how was yesterday's paper? Hope you did pretty well in the examination. I know you're very eager to know the expected cutoff for the yesterday's paper. So first let us examine the toughness of the paper first. So when it comes to geography, most of the questions are directly asked from NCERTs. That is the reason why we tell our students to read the NCERTs first. To clear the concepts, to have grip over basics, and along with that, the best benefit is many a times, even in the past, the UPSC has asked questions directly from NCERTs, not only in prelims but also in mains. So NCERTs are must for every aspirant. So I would say, since they are directly asked from NCERTs, the geography is very easy in its toughness. Then come to the history. I would say the history is very tough. It's because not the way the questions are asked, it's because the way the answers are given. You would be able to answer the question only if you know all the statements. If one of the statement is unknown to you, then you would not be able to answer the question. Previously there used to be elimination method, like 1 and 2 are correct, 2 or 3 are correct, all of them are correct. So we used to follow elimination process when we don't know one of the statements. But this time it is not like that. You should know all the statements, then only you will be able to answer the question. That is the reason why I would say most of the history questions are very tough. So history is very tough. Then comes to Indian polity. If you had done your Lakshmikant pretty well, all the questions from Indian polity are very easy in its toughness. They are not at all hard in toughness. They are very easy. So I would say Indian polity questions are very easy. Then comes our economy. Economy has been a bit tricky. Few questions are very easy. They are asked on very basics, like the sterilization concept of RBI. And some questions are a bit tricky, like Janani Suraksha scheme, Anemia Mukt Bharat. The options are given as very tricky. So I would say medium to hard, but not very easy, at the same time not very hard. But economy is said to be medium to hard. And science and technology. Science and technology, few questions are easy, few questions are tough, very tough. So I would give medium to tough for science and technology based questions as well. When it comes to current affairs, few are expected, like Ukraine question. It was pretty expected. So it would have been very easy for the aspirants, serious aspirants. And then some questions are a bit tricky, like aerial metagenomics. So I would say medium to hard for the current affairs. When it comes to ecology, some are really hard, like Indian squirrel, orangutan, honeybee. They are really hard. They are not known pretty well for many of the aspirants. Some are very easy in ecology. So it is medium to hard for ecology also. Overall, the whole question paper can be said as medium to hard in its toughness. So the cutoff would be around 90 to 95. Whoever have crossed 90 marks, please prepare for your mains with seriousness, with dedication, hard work and proper planning. Please try to do as many mock tests as possible for the mains. It is a mock test that is going to help you out in writing the mains answers. Most of the times it's not most of the reading, it is practice test. You have already got data into your mind. Now what is required is retrieving the data. That can happen only with many number of mock tests, practice tests. Please try to do as many practice tests as possible. All the best, my dear aspirants. Hope you would be able to succeed in your mains as well. Thank you.